made it. Whiskey Hollow Shelter. Yeah, baby. It is treacherous coming down to here. Yeah, man. It is treacherous. Rain just keeps raining. Muddy. Ice underneath the mud. Snow. Wet feet. The whole shebang. The whole thing. The whole deal. But, dude, I'm out here. And I'm in a dry spot where I can fire up my coffee. Hell yeah. So I'm in a good spot. I'm in a good mood. Gonna get this ball rolling and then look out. This right here is just an ESEE Izula. Doesn't weigh anything. Strong. I could pound on it. Yeah, I'm good. Water's about boiling. Yeah, it's probably boiling enough. But I'm gonna keep this little bit of fire going. I'm gonna get myself another little hunk of firewood to split up, and then sit here and enjoy my nice little fire while I got the opportunity. Sit here, drink my coffee, and have a fire. You see this piece here. Normally what I'll do is I'll just kind of scrape some of the wettest stuff off, and then I could burn the rest of it. And I'll just take this little thing right here, baton it down, like so, and then I just got my firewood. Drop it in there, and there you go. Bust it right down. Boom, boom, boom. You can see how the solo stove works. This thing is brilliant. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. Have to commit the time to making that little fire. Granted, that little fire is rejuvenating itself. I haven't even drank my coffee yet, and I'm rejuvenated because I got a little fire going here. Look at that fire there, man. Yeah. Tell me who's got it going on today. You know it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, warm them hands up. Ooh, that's a hot one. It's nice having this stove, this solo stove, is awesome to have because of this. Because even though I'm done boiling my water, I got a little fire here. Every one of this will burn almost completely out. Within 15 minutes, this will be cold enough to touch. I'll dump a tiny bit of ashes out, and it'll be done. This thing is phenomenal. Highly suggest it. I've got a link down below on where to get this. You can get it off Amazon. I think it's like $70. Highly suggest it. This is a Solo Stove Lite. Phenomenal piece of gear. I also got the pot, the 900 milliliter pot that goes along with it. The only part I dislike, which I kind of like, but I kind of dislike, is it gets really tarnished on the outside. It doesn't get that way on the inside. And it's stainless, so it weighs a little bit more than it needs to. Comes with the lid. This packs up, fits right inside here. No bigger than that. I put a little bit of firewood in there sometimes. I put a little bit of stuff inside the stove. Yeah. Phenomenal piece of gear. For day hikers, for just doing this kind of stuff, the stuff I do. Phenomenal. Love it. Once you figure out how to use it, oh dude, it's golden. It's golden. Can't beat it. I like hiking in the rain. It's like, this isn't beating me. You know what I mean? It's like, I'm here, I'm doing this, and you can't stop me. This is a good day. This is a good day. Not an easy one at all, but fantastic. All right, I still got a little bit of climb here, but man, I'm enjoying myself. I really am. All right, I will catch you